Welcome to Battambang train station. It is not far from the centre of the city and can easily be walked from your hotel. It's not quite fully functional, as you can see from the lack of staff in the ticketing office, but tickets can be purchased online. These trains are known as the Mexican DMUs, or diesel multiple units of the Royal Railway. Although described as a DMU, with the cars being able to be operated in tandem with each other, you can see that here they are being operated as a single car set, which I guess justifies their use as a rail car or rail bus. Originally these rail cars were ordered specifically for the airport shuttle train, hence AS standing for airport shuttle in front of the train number. With the service being cancelled, they are being operated on other lines due to rolling stock shortages. The interior is quite nice, with air conditioning and TVs for showing movies. If you are lucky, it might even be in English. The seats are new and can be rotated to face the opposite direction or formed into groups of 4. The rail car also has a toilet, and coffee and drinks are served on board. Again, we are departing on time. You sit much higher in the rail car, and this gives you a slightly better view of the surrounding countryside. On the train you can sit back and let Cambodia slip by. They are no bullet trains, but who wants to get to your destination quickly anyway? To move with any more speed would surely be an insult to the glorious countryside neatly framed by its windows, and rather defeat the object of cross-country train travel in the first place. The rail car is slightly faster than the train and got into Phnom Penh at 10:30 PM, a 7.5 hour journey. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and join us next time.